I finished everything in class on this page except this one here. I want you to check this. Okay, with your answer. So this is times right here. So whatever your answer is, from in here, you multiply it to this 2 here. All right, let's start this. Do the tree here. 4 times 7 is 28. Square root of 4 is 2. So your answer is 2. Inside, you still have the square root of 7. Each, there's 8 of them. Pair up the h to the 4th. Remember, you also need to time this 2 times the 2. Okay, h to the 4th, and k is k inside because they don't have a pair. Okay. And your answer then is 4h to the 4th, square root of 7k. Right there. Simplify that. These are the same here. Oh, we did this in class. I made a mistake. I gave you the day 2. That's why you didn't know how to do this. That makes tomorrow's lesson a lot easier, okay, boys and girls? Anyways, this one here, you cannot get rid of the fractions unless they're improper because you're multiplying. When you're multiplying, these all have to be improper fractions. So, in order to get rid of the fractions, you need to make it improper first. 21 over 4 plus k equals to 86 over 8. Multiply all. Now we can get rid of fraction. Multiply all of them by 8. That's 2. 2 and 21 is 42 plus 8k. 86 there. Minus 42. Minus 42. You get 44. Okay. 8k equals to 44. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. Nope, that's my husband's beautiful singing. 11 over 2 is your answer. You reduce, divide by 4. Okay, this next one beside it is, just add. This is easy, right? You end up subtracting, becomes a 9.9, 5, 4, negative. Bigger numbers, negative. This is a 5. What I did to check myself, I added to see if it equals to 10. It didn't equals to 9. That's how I knew I was wrong. I did that really fast. Okay, so x equals to that. Same thing here. You cannot get rid of fractions unless you make it improper first. 11 over 3 equals to 2 over 3h. Times 3. 2h. Divide by 2. H equals to 11 over 2. Cannot be reduced further, or you can put 5 and 1/2. Same thing. Okay, least common denominator. Multiply all of them by, get rid of denominator. The denominator is 3.5, so multiply by 3.5. You get negative 35 equals to m. That's that easy. Okay, that's that part that I didn't do. And make sure you finish all this and this. We did this in. Okay, let's do this one. So it's going to be on the test. T-shirts and Moral Paint Shop will paint any images on a t-shirt for $2 per shirt. and a one-time fee of $30. Okay, so one-time fee, that's like a setup fee, okay, one-time fee. $2 per means times, $2 times the number of shirt, and plus a one-time fee of $30 plus $30. And a design, and $5 for design, and $5 for design. So you got y equals 2x plus 30 plus 5. Woo! T-shirt. We'll charge $31 to print 5 t-shirts. $31 for 5 t-shirts. Remember, cost, if you got X and Y, cost is always Y. X is the number of t-shirt. So 31.5. Cost is always the dependent. And 9 shirts for $55. 9 shirts for $55. Okay. Write a linear equation for each company. Then define each variable. Okay, well, we got, this one is for we got t-shirts here, and then the other Woo shirt. Woo shirt is, it's a lot more work. Okay, x1, y1, x2, y2. So you need to find a rate of change. Y, here's Woo shirt. Woo shirt can be, t-shirt can be y equals to 2x plus 35. Can combine these. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 55 minus 31, 9 minus 5. So you get 24 over 4, which is the rate of change for Woo is $6 for 1 t-shirt. Oh, identify the rate of change and explain what it means. Well, the Y's are, these are the Y's, are the cost. So that's the Y, it's the dollar. And the X are 5 t-shirts. And 9 shirts. These are shirts. So $6 for 1 shirt. If that helps you any. Okay. So you do, after you do that, you do y2, y minus y1 equals to m parentheses x minus x1. Y minus 31 equals to m, which is 6 parentheses x minus x1, which is 5. Y minus 31 equals to 6x minus 30. Distribute. Add 30. Add 31. Add 31. Y equals 6x plus 1. No, it's a month and a half. Woo shirt. Okay, the rate of change, M equals to, for Woo shirt, 6, which means $6 for 1 shirt, for each shirt. And the y-intercept is this one right here. Y-intercept is 0, 1, 0 shirts, that's X and Y. We need to identify X. X is the number of shirts. This says define each variable. Oh, yes, of course. Number of shirts, and Y is the cost. Okay, so this means that 0 t-shirt they charge $1. So there's probably a membership fee of $1 or setup fee of $1. Which means that for 0 shirts, there's a setup fee, there's a fee, there's a fee of $1. Just notice like here, $30 and $35, they're all the fees. Okay, graph problem B. Oh, I mean graph problem A. I meant to put graph problem A here. Okay, so X is the number of shirts. That's X. That's why it's important too. And here's Y is the cost. Okay, let's see, 35 and 6 over 1. Okay, it's harder to, okay. Best way to graph this, okay, because you got 2 points here. So, best way to graph this is the y-intercept. Okay, the y-intercepts, you got y equals to 2x plus 35. The y-intercept is at 35, and then y equals to 6x plus 1. And y-intercept here is 1. So let's find the exact point of intersection to get other points. Okay, let's find the exact point of intersection. To exact point of intersection, we can use substitution. It's easy enough. So you use these two equations and use substitution. So you get 6x plus 1 equals to 2x plus 35. You mark that off, put it in, put this in there, and you get that, okay? And then you minus 2x, get 4x plus 1 equals to 35. Okay, and then you minus 1, That's weird. I didn't do this right. It's supposed to add up to 36. Ah! I made a mistake, guys. Okay, just to make life easier, change the design fee to $6. Or $7. $7. 37. We'll cheat, okay? Okay. Okay, we'll change this to 37. Minus 4x. Divide by 4, divide by 4. Okay, xn equals to $9. Ah, yay! 9, not $9, 9 shirts. They break even at 9 shirts. How do I know? X is the number of shirts. X is the number of shirts. Let's find 9 shirts. How much is it going to be for 9 shirts? Let's find the cost. Okay, you substitute. Okay, I'm going to use this one right here. Y equals to 6x plus 1. 9, that's 54 plus 1. Y equals to 55. Okay. Okay, how do we graph this? Okay, we need to graph this point first. Let's graph this point first. 9 and 55. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 45, 50, 55. Oh, that's a good by 5 and then by 1s on the side. Okay, because this is only 9 shirts. Okay, count by 5 for the cost. $5. 5, 10. Make this thinner. 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, that's good enough. Okay, and then here we number it by 1, so therefore it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, 9 and 55. 9 and 55. 9 and 55 right here. That's where the break-even point. So that's where the two graphs will cross. All right. So the y-intercept for this one is 37. So 37 is right here. Somewhere there, we estimate. And then we just need another point. So point somewhere. Okay, let's use 20 here, our biggest number, so we can make our graph. So let's see if 20 will work. 20, yeah. So 20. So to graph this, I need more room. Okay, so let's do 20. Let's do the work right here, okay? For 20. Y equals 2x plus 37. X is 20. That's 40 plus 37 is 77. So 20 and 77, 20 and 20 t-shirt costs $77. It's about right here. And then this is for which company? T-shirt. And we need a woo shirt. Okay, woo shirt. Oh, sorry guys. It's going to be this much work on your test. Let's do blue. Woo shirt, it starts at 1. Right here. Woo shirt's right here. That's woo shirt. And then it crosses this point right there too. Because that's where it's the break-even point, 9. The exact intersection is 9 t-shirts for $55. We're going to do 20 t-shirt for woo t-shirt too. Y equals to 6 times 20 plus the 1. So this is 121. Oh, that's too much. It's too. Our graph only goes to 110. Well, it's way up there. Anyways, you can pretend at 20 way up here. Right there. That's our graph. Explain the graph. Okay. Explain the graph. Before 9 t-shirts, at 9 t-shirts, both company charges $55. So, at 9 t-shirts, both company charge $55. Okay, 9 t-shirts, both company charge $55. Okay. Before that, it is much cheaper. It's cheaper to charge. Okay, who's the green? Woo! Woo. Green is Woo. Before 9 t-shirt, it's cheaper to buy shirts from Woo because the graph is below. The graph is below the t-shirts. Before anything less than 9 t-shirts. If less than 9 t-shirts, people need to buy from Woo! I love, anyways, from Woo, okay? Because the graph is lower, which means it's cheaper. Okay? Because the graph is lower. Because the graph is lower. Okay. After 9 t-shirts, it's best to buy t-shirt because its graph is lower. Then Woo! Okay. Goodness gracious, it's taking. Write a linear equation that will have no solution. No solution. That means the line will never meet with t-shirt and more shop. Okay, no solution to t-shirt and more shop. No solution means the lines will never meet. So they're parallel. So t-shirt and more, I believe this is t-shirt and more. Y, okay, t-shirt and more is y equals to 2x plus 37, okay, to have no solution therefore y equals, this rate of change needs to be the same, 2x plus, and the y-intercept does not matter, has to be different, 10 or 100, it didn't ask to graph, well let's make it 1,000, 2x plus 1,000 will be no solution because rate of change is the same and y-intercept is different. Is different. Period. Okay? I'm gonna. Oh my gosh! Well, this whole time was this on here? Why? Oh my gosh. Anyways, I'll just go back. I don't know where it started, but I'll go back and show all my answers so you can read all this. Oh my goodness. There you go. All this work. Well, this is the most important. It's on your test. It's going to take you about 20 minutes on this one. Okay, 25 minutes on one page. There's 3 pages. So you need to move faster, know how to do this. I think you guys got this on here anyway. This one's on there. Anyways, oh my goodness, that's awful for me. I hate it when that happens. Okay, anyway.